Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a glitch. A glitch on Build a Boat for Treasure. So you just need. I'm just gonna. So place a block, any block, and place this one, this wheel, then put it facing this way. Then place any block or neon blocks. Place it like that. Place that's 1, 2, 3 that high. And then place a you need the chair, this chair, then place it like halfway block, like that, and then an anchor. It's already making me fly, the heck. Or you can hit this plus button and then click an anchor like that in the top left, right there. And then click this button, and then it should be like lightning speed, kind of. I don't know. So yeah, it is lightning speed. So I don't know why I cannot go here because it will break always. I don't know why. So like that. I guess you cannot like grind for it, but it's like kind of, it's sick though because you can like throw people with that, because it actually flings people when you get like when you go really fast and then hit them. They go real like they like fling. Yeah, they get like flinged. So place it like that. 1, 2, 3. Bada boom. Actually, I'm gonna change this into color. You can change any color you want if you have the color thing. Then place your chair again. This chair. Put it half block. Make sure you're in the block. So if someone like get in your chair, it will not work. So let's just come here, try to fling these guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to another guy here. Yep, that works. Oof, this thing is so fast that I cannot even go to them, bro. No. Okay, I'm gonna go to another guy. This place. That one is blocked. How about, bro, man? Why? Please let me in. No, please. Come on, man. Bro, do I have to really? Oh my god. Let's go. Please walk to in. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Come here and hit them really fast. You should like push them like that. See, I got him. So, oh shoot, it's really hard to control. You can go to first person. boom, it's more. See that? So just you can go to first person, but it's really hard. It's really hard because of the chair. So you might need to like mess around and then or walk. Go really fast and hit them. So this is actually a really good troll to like. If you go like really fast, you might like fling them out of the island, bro. It's sick. It will be hard when you like jump at other people's, because this thing is lightning fast. So let's see. So he's readying up. This one, nobody. The red team. Where else? Above. Blue team. Nope. About the black team. Still nope. I guess that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys. Oh yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell on. Thank you guys. Bye.